Best rubber mat and liner cleaner reviews help drivers choose effective products that remove dirt, restore shine, protect surfaces, and extend mat lifespan. My today's video is about top 5 best rubber mat and liner cleaner review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Joffnailor Plastic Refurbishment. A high-quality plastic restorer spray is a simple yet powerful solution for bringing dull, faded surfaces back to life. This advanced coating formula instantly revitalizes worn plastic trim with minimal effort, restoring a deep black shine that enhances your vehicle's overall appearance. Whether it's exterior trim, dashboard accents, or other plastic components, the spray works quickly to renew color and give surfaces a fresh, glossy finish. What makes this product especially convenient is its waterless cleaning capability. The formula not only restores color, but also removes light dirt and grime while applying a protective layer. In just a few sprays, plastics, rubber, and even leather surfaces regain their vibrant look without the need for complicated cleaning steps. The result is a sleek, well-maintained finish that helps your car look newer for longer. Regular use can improve the appearance of aging trim while protecting it from fading, making it a practical addition to any car care routine. Now our second product is X-Smile Sneaker Cleaning Kit. The X-Smile Shoe Cleaning Kit delivers an effective and convenient solution for keeping your footwear looking fresh and well-maintained. Its high-performance foam cleaner is designed to break down stubborn dirt, stains, and buildup on a wide range of shoes, including white sneakers, athletic footwear, suede, and leather. Despite its powerful cleaning action, the formula remains gentle on materials, helping preserve delicate surfaces like fabric, rubber, and suede without using harsh chemicals. This complete kit includes everything needed for a thorough clean: a 3.4-ounce foam cleaner, a durable sneaker brush, a microfiber towel, and a handy cleaning wipe. The brush features soft yet resilient bristles that easily reach seams and textured areas, ensuring deep cleaning while protecting the shoe surface. Using the kit is quick and simple. Just apply the foam, lightly scrub, and wipe away the residue for instantly refreshed shoes. Beyond cleaning, the formula helps create a light protective barrier that reduces future dirt buildup. Safe, eco-conscious, and easy to use, it's a practical choice for maintaining all types of footwear. Our third product is Chemical Guy's VRP Protectant. The HWell 503 Complete Detailing Kit is a reliable solution for restoring and protecting vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces on a wide range of vehicles. The kit includes a 16-ounce bottle of VRP Protectant along with 2 WonderWave applicators, giving you everything needed to refresh faded trim, tires, and interior panels with minimal effort. Its advanced water-based formula delivers a durable satin shine that looks clean and natural rather than overly glossy. Unlike many greasy dressings, this protectant dries to a smooth, non-sticky finish that helps resist dust and dirt, keeping surfaces looking cleaner for longer. Application is simple and efficient thanks to the included WonderWave applicators. They spread the product evenly across surfaces, ensuring precise coverage on tight areas while reducing product waste and streaks. Beyond improving appearance, the formula penetrates deeply to condition materials, helping prevent cracking, fading, and discoloration over time. Whether for cars, trucks, motorcycles, or RVs, this all-in-one detailing kit offers professional quality results and makes routine vehicle care faster and more effective. Now, number 4, Chemical Guy's Tire Kicker Sprayable. The Chemical Guy's Tire Kicker Tire Shine TVD11316 is a versatile detailing product designed to restore and protect rubber, vinyl, and plastic surfaces. Its sprayable formula quickly revives dull tires with a deep, wet-look finish that enhances the overall appearance of any vehicle. The product not only adds shine, but also helps shield surfaces from fading, cracking, and discoloration caused by sun exposure and harsh weather. One of its standout features is the rich, extra glossy finish that creates a showroom-quality look on tires, trim, bumpers, and weather stripping. Despite the glossy effect, the formula dries to a clean, non-greasy feel when applied correctly, helping maintain a polished appearance between washes. Application is quick and simple. Just spray directly onto the surface or an applicator, spread evenly, and wipe off any excess for a streak-free result. Suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and even boats. This detailing spray offers professional-level results while safely restoring color and luster to multiple surfaces. And our last choice is Car Guy's Plastic Restorer. The Car Guy's Plastic and Trim Restorer is designed to renew, seal, and protect both interior and exterior vehicle surfaces with long-lasting performance. Unlike many standard dressings that fade quickly, this advanced formula is built to maintain its fresh look for months while helping protect trim, plastic, and rubber from wear and environmental damage. One of its most impressive qualities is its resistance to rain. Many detailing products lose their finish after the first rainfall, often leaving streaks down the vehicle's surface. This restorer is engineered to repel water, helping maintain a clean and even appearance even after exposure to wet weather. Another major advantage is the non-greasy finish. While traditional dressings often leave behind oily residue, this formula dries completely to the touch, leaving a smooth and natural-looking finish without attracting dust or ruining detailing towels. Developed with modern detailing technology and backed by strong customer support, this product delivers dependable results and makes maintaining a clean, well-protected vehicle much easier. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.